Hello children. In the previous video, we have learned the approximation of a number to the nearest tens and nearest hundreds place. We learned the approximation with the help of a number line. We did few questions on the same topic as well. In this video, I'm just continuing the topic estimation, but now we will learn the approximation of a number to its nearest thousands place and 10,000s place. Just look at the number. If the number lies in between 0 to 499, then it is rounded off to 0. If the number ranges in between 500 and 1000, it can be rounded off to 1000 or its thousands multiple. Like we have a number 380. In the 380, the number will be rounded it off to 0. 380 will not rounded it off to 400. Please remember, it is not a hundreds place approximation. It is a thousands place approximation. If we consider number 380, the thousands place approximation, it will be rounded off to 0. So please read the question carefully, what the question is asking. Say the number is 780, 790. This number 790, if you take a thousands place approximation, the answer is 1000. It will never be 800. 790 cannot be rounded off to 800. Why? Because this is a thousands place approximation. So children, please read the question, what place it is asking to rounded it off. For the 10,000s place approximation, we will follow the same procedure as we have followed in hundreds, thousands. So what we do that we'll check the range, whether the range is between 0 to 4,999. If it is between 0 to 4,999, then it will be rounded it off to 0. And if the range goes in between 5,000 and 10,000, at this situation, all the numbers which are in between 5,000 to 10,000s, they will be rounded it off to 10,000. Let us see an example. There is a number 3,800. So we have taken all its thousand multiple. We have to take the thousands multiple, right? So on the number line, I have placed a number 3,000 and 4,000. 3,800 lies in between 3,000 and 4,000. So all this 3,100, 3,200, 3,300, these are all the marks. It doesn't mean that 3,800 will round it off to the hundreds place. 3,800 will simply check whether it is closer to 4,000 or it is closer to 3,000. We will consider only its thousands multiple. So for 3,800, its closest thousand multiple is 4,000. You can see 3,800 is closer to 4,000. You can see I have marked the distance like this, while 3,800 is far off from the 3,000. So answer is 4,000 is the nearest thousands multiple of 3,800. Let us see some more examples. So I have written in a box that if we are doing the rounding of the number to the nearest thousands place, those who are in zeros, hundreds, 200s, 300s, 400, they get down to 0. They will get down to 0. While those who are in 500s, 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s, they are get rounded up to 1000 and its multiple. And its multiple, why I say? Like this is 1,868. So thousands of multiple is 2,000. You got it? Let us see example one by one. First example, 2,837. Since 2,837 lies in between 2,000 and 3,000. So 2,000 and 3,000, but it is closer to 3,000. So 2,837, it goes up to 3,000. This is very simple. 4,874, again 874 is closer to the thousands, so it will go up. So 4,000 will go up to 5, so the answer is 5,000. The third example, 5,376. This 376, this is less than 500, this is less than 500, so we will go down. So 5,376, the answer is 5,000. That is 5,000 will remain 5. All this will turns to 0. It has go down, but 5 remains the same. Children, you remember that I told you that whenever we have a in-between digit that is 5, we always prefer the higher value for approximation. So 7,500 will round it off to 8,000. You can see 500 go up. Next example, come up to the second column. 1,868. 1,868, it will be rounded it off to 2,000. Then 2,499. 499, that is, it is less than 500. That means it will 499 will go to 00, while this 2 is remain the same. So answer is 2,000. Now we have 10,000s place approximation. 29,780. 29,000, since this is greater than 5,000, so again it will go up. This 29,000, its 10,000s place approximation will be 30,000. It will be 30,000. Then we have 45,681. Children, all the things is same, only the digits turn to 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit. But the technique, the rule for rounding it off is same. So 45,681, again we will go up to the higher place, that is, it is rounded off to 46,000. You understand? We'll check the 5,681, it is greater than 5,000, so we will go up. This 5 will turn up to 6. This is a very good question. We have the same number, but I have changed the place value for the approximation. The 75,847. First, we will approximate this number to the nearest tens place. I have underlined the tens place digit with the red color. So this number 4, this 47, if you see on the tens scale, it lies in between 40 and 50. So it is closer to 50. So 47 will be rounded it off to 50. So answer is, we will just copy the 10,000s, thousands and hundreds place value. Only we will change the tens place value because the approximation is to the tens place. Remaining digit will remain unchanged. Second part, 75,847. We will underline the hundreds place value. We will see that 847 is less than 850. So since it is less, so what we will do, that it will go, we will remain, the 8 digit will remain unchanged while the other digit will come down to 00. So 75,847, the answer would be 75,800. Suppose the children, if the number is like 75,852, we have gone up to 50. Immediately this 75,852 will change to 75,900. So it matters your tens place value. But this time this 47 is less than 50. So this 8 will remain same while the other digits will turn to 00. I hope it is clear. You will learn this question in detail further. 75,847. Now we have to round it off to the thousands place value. So what we will do, this 5,847, this is greater than 5,000. So if it is greater than 5,000, what we will do, we will change the, we will go up, it will become 6. We will go up while the remaining digits will turn to rounded off to 00, while 5 changed to 6 because 58,047 is closer to 6,000. 58,047 is far from 5,000. So children, please remember 58,047 we will consider while the 10,000 digit will be copied. We will simply copy the 10,000's place value, that is 7, and we will just check 5,847. 5,847 is closer to 6,000. So we can round it off to 6,000. So answer is 76,000. Next, 75,847. This time we are rounding it off to the tens thousands place. If it is 10,000's place, we will check the hundreds thousands place. In this thousands place, this is 5, means it is 5 and above, which means we go up. If we go up, then 7 will become 8. So answer is 80,000. These are the few questions for you to practice. Children, please practice. In my next video, I will give you the answer. So first practice it by yourself. Thank you.